In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to show your browser on Restream or how to share your browser on Restream. So first of all, go to Restream and sign into your account. Now select the Home tab and click on Create New Stream. And here you get total 3 options to create a new stream. One is using Restream Studio, another is Encoder, and another is pre-recorded video. So you are going to select Restream Studio. Once you are in your Restream streaming dashboard, just click on the share screen icon, and here you can select Chrome tab. Then you can just go ahead and select the tab you want to share, or you can select window. The same way you can select the window. Then just click on share. And if I go back to my Restream, as you can see, I've successfully added my browser to my Restream, and now Restream is streaming this Chrome tab. Now you can just go ahead and change your layout just like this, and now you can just go ahead and start live streaming. That's it for now.